Indian troops are openly targeting innocent youth in occupied Kashmir to suppress the Kashmiris' ongoing struggle for securing their right to self-determination, according to a report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service. On the occasion of International Youth Day today, the Indian Forces personnel are brutally murdering Kashmiri youth for demanding their fundamental rights, including their right to self-determination. All parties Hurriyat conference leaders have felicitated the people and the government of Pakistan ahead of their Independence Day to be observed on Monday, the 14th August. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC Vice Chairman Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said Pakistan's Independence Day on 14th August is the day of Thanksgiving and a day of rejoice for the Kashmiris. Secretary General World Kashmir Awareness Forum Dr. Ghulam Nabi Fai has said that the Kashmiris demand the implementation of the UN resolution of 13th August 1948 that acknowledged their right to self-determination. Dr. Ghulam Nabi Fai, in a statement issued in Washington, said that Kashmiris in Jammu and Kashmir, the US and worldwide will observe the 75th anniversary of unimplemented UN Commission for India and Pakistan resolution of August 13, 1948. Authorities have deployed Indian troops and the police personnel in strength across the occupied Kashmir in the name of security measures ahead of the India's Independence Day, 15th August, adding to the miseries of the people. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Indian troops, paramilitary and police personnel have stepped up checking of vehicles and random frisking of passengers and pedestrians across the territory. National Conference President in occupied Kashmir Farooq Abdullah has said that India and Pakistan should hold talks with honesty on the Kashmir dispute. Talking to reporters in Srinagar, Farooq Abdullah said that India and Pakistan should talk with each other with pure intentions, as wars do not resolve anything. An Indian paramilitary Central Reserve Police Force man has committed suicide in the Pulwama district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the CRPF man, identified as Ajay Kumar, ended his life by shooting himself with his service rifle in Avantipura area of the district in the intervening night of Friday and Saturday. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has criticized the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi for laughing and cracking jokes in the parliament when the Manipur state has been on fire for the past 4 months. Rahul Gandhi, addressing a press conference in New Delhi, said that the Prime Minister wants Manipur to burn and allows it to burn. A protest demonstration was held in Muzaffarabad today against Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government's attempt to change the demographic composition of occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, a large number of people participated in the demonstration organized by Paswane Hurriyat Jammu and Kashmir and chanted slogans against Modi regime's illegal actions in the occupied Kashmir.